You're gonna have a baby. You're gonna have a baby. You're gonna have a baby.
So what I have done is I have put statements or little parts to this story in my little grab bag here, and I've put different parts on slips of paper. And so I said, who wants to tell the story in front of the class? And so they all put their hands up, and then I hand out a slip of paper, and it's numbered 1 to 9, and then I share with them how I want them to tell us the story. It's important to give the kids a bit of instruction and a bit of a demonstration of what to expect when acting out their part. So this is how I would do it. I'd say, person 1, here's your part. Hello, Mary. Hello, Mary. Hello, Mary. Person 2. I'm afraid. I'm afraid. I'm afraid. Person 3. Don't be afraid, Mary. Don't be afraid, Mary. Please don't be afraid, Mary. And so I would do that with each part to give them an idea of how I want them to say their part 3 different ways, 3 different expressions if they can, with some good energy and emotion. And this is when the fun begins. Early one morning, God surprised Mary and sent an angel to her.
Hello, Mary. Hello, Mary. Hello, Mary. I'm afraid. I'm afraid. I'm so afraid.
Don't be afraid, Mary. Don't be afraid, Mary. Do not be afraid, Mary.
God is with you. God is with you. And you and you. And God is with you. You're gonna have a baby. You're gonna have a baby. You're gonna have a baby. He is God's son. He is God's son. He is God's son.
But how? But how? But how?
Nothing is impossible with God. Nothing is impossible with God. Nothing's impossible with God.
I am God's servant. I am God's servant. I am God's servant.
So after that group does the story, then of course there's more kids that want to do it. So what I do is I tell them, okay, who else wants to have a go? And then I tell the people at the front, I said, find someone and give your part to someone else. So you get another 9 kids up the front acting out the story. And they really, really love it. Hi friends, I've now put up my Snapchat drama scripts onto my website, and you can download them there. And all you have to do is just cut them out, and you've got the parts for your drama. But what I tend to do is I tend to put them on a piece of paper, and then I laminate them, and then they will last year after year. I hope you found these ideas helpful and inspiring, and I've put a lot of links in the description below so you can find additional materials to help you in telling this story. Thanks again for watching, and if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, then please go ahead and do that, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Mary, you're going to have a baby, a little boy. You will call him Jesus. He is God's own son. He's the one. He's the rescuer.